Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, east central Ogle County in north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crystal Lake to near Marengo to near Kirkland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rolling Meadows, Valley View, Algonquin, Fairdale, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Genoa, South Elgin, Hunley, Inverness, South Barrington, Gilberts, Kirkland, DeKalb, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, Hoffman Estates, Barrington, Carpentersville, Elk Grove Village, Kingston, Malta, Campton Hills, Virgil, and Burlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Doubleheader.
Following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 7 nautical miles southeast of McHenry to 6 nautical miles north of Elgin, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. Severe thunderstorm watch number 596 remains in effect until 7 p.m. and now includes the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 596 remains. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hoffman Estates, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont Cragen, Westchester, Dunning, West Town, Rolling Meadows, Glendale Heights, Bellwood, Berkeley, Austin, West Garfield Park, Rogers Park, Hillside, near North Side, North Lake, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Logan Square, Glenview, Niles, South Barrington, Rosemont, Evanston, Humboldt Park, Oak Park, and Lombard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over North Aurora, or over Aurora, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plainfield, Orland Hills, Lisle, Orland Park, Aurora, Willowbrook, Bristol, Westmont, Montgomery, Hinsdale, Darien, Woodridge, Downers Grove, Palos Park, Willow Springs, Countryside, Romeoville, Clarendon Hills, Naperville, North Aurora, Boulder Hill, Burridge, Warrenville, Western Springs, and Oswego. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunder. Following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a stationary thunderstorm producing torrential rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past 30 minutes. This storm will produce rainfall rates up 2 to 4 inches per hour for the next hour or so. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Woodridge, Hinsdale, Burridge, Oakbrook, Westmont, Lisle, Darien, Warrenville, Willowbrook, and Clarendon Hills. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The severe National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Lenox, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Country Club Hills, Crete, Preston Heights, Joliet, Olympia Fields, Crest Hill, Beecher, Orland Hills, South Chicago Heights, Sauk Village, Tinley Park, Rockdale, New Lenox, Richmond Park, Crystal Lawns, Fairmont, Ingalls Park, Grand Park, Flossmere, Ford Heights, Steger, Mantino, Palmer Glen, and Wilton Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pleasant Prairie to 10 nautical miles northeast of McHenry to 27 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Burnham Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a flood. National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lowell to Lake Village to near Hopkins Park, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wheatfield, Thayer, Simava Resorts, Rose Lawn, Bailey's Corner, Mount Ayr, Hanging Grove, Brook, Stoutsburg, Forsman, Lamont, Fair Oaks, Morocco, Parr, Lowell, Schneider, Shelby, Remington, Lake Village, Rensselaer, Collegeville, Lake Delacarlia, and Hopkins Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.